Hi folks, today we're gonna make an interesting video about what happens when our graft is successful. So here is a successful graft. As we can see, it has made a lot of growth around here. We also have some snail attack, but don't worry, it isn't much damaging. If we remember, this was a bitter element on below, while on top we made a sweet element, if I remember right. I may be wrong because I forgot. Like everybody else, I forgot to write it down a tag. So obviously I forgot, but from the looks of the branch and the coloring, 99.9% it is a sweet element. So let's get back to business. Our grafting has successfully grown. It isn't a false growth. When we mean a false growth, it means the scion didn't connect with the rootstock, so that it didn't match, and the growth starts growing, but the branch starts dying from on top. As we can see here, all the branch is alive and all the growth is energized. So what's next usually is to release some of the tension of the tape and the cling film. We just cut a couple of straight lines like this. One, let me pass again. So the branch, while it's growing, the plastic or cling film won't suffocate it or girdle it, as we say it in agriculture. Girdling is when the branch is cut off from taking any water and vitamins from the rootstock, so girdling causes the tree to die. In this way, when we cut these two lines, initial lines, we have given it a bit of space to expand, and therefore nothing else happens. If you saw me here, there are a few suckers. We have a branch here because it's growing from beneath the graft, so we have to take it off. We've taken this off, so the original branch and the grafting doesn't have competition. These are called suckers, and so these have to be removed instantly. Also, any branches we see growing here, for example, if you can see here, we have a small leaf, it's gonna grow up, we just swipe that away. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.